So after your posting in the Special Branch Intelligence, you were then given a very important assignment of DIG Patna, right? And generally people have with more tenure and more experience are given that, but the Chief Minister trusted you and gave you that important assignment.
On my
because Patna,
first promotion.
first promotion, right? And Patna is now center, the capital of the state, and you were given that important responsibility. And I'm sure as a virtue of that, you got a lot to interact with the Chief Minister also.
Yes.
And you just mentioned that he was somebody who was on the rise at the time, right? He was a popular leader, and he was. It's what we know of him today. Although all of that happened much later, right?
Yeah.
That time he was a hero.
Yes.
In that sense. So, what are some of the traits that you saw in him? In the way he conducted himself, the way he dealt with the police administration, some of the things, and if anecdotes you could share, that'll be really interesting.
He was very hands-on. So if anything happened, he would immediately come. Even in a remote area, if some riot is taken place or some such thing has happened, I would see that while we are inspecting and looking after the case to sorting out things, we'll get a message that Chief Minister is coming. So he would come immediately, and of course the crowd adored him in those days. तो कुछ नहीं था, तो जीप पे ही खड़ी होके, there's no dais or anything. He would get onto the jeep, and from the jeep only on the engine of the jeep, he would stand and start giving a speech, and the crowd would be with him. So that was one thing which I found was very admirable. And even when the Babri Masjid incident happened, I remember 6th of December, I was DIG Patna. We were all patrolling the whole night and we were on the streets. And he also came and he started giving guidance to people that when the Kar Sevaks are returning, what may happen and how you must look after them, what you have to take steps. So he started directing people. And once the Chief Minister is on the street, then, everybody gets galvanized, isn't it? Everybody then starts taking action, and in Bihar we didn't have any problem in those days. So that way he was very hands-on, and then his system of information was very good, and that was because of this mobile, because of these STD phones. Immediately he would get to know whatever was happening, and he would take decisions. And really, people think that he was very arrogant, which I never thought that he was. He was very down to earth, and he would tell you that this is the way to do it. DG को बोल देते कि आप जाके ये देखिए, आप इसको ऐसे करिए. But must be towards the end, because by 94 I was leaving the state. I was going abroad for training. But the dates for the Chara Ghotala starts from 94 onwards only. So sometimes I think that I'm lucky that I was not there when all this was happening. I don't know how I would have reacted if it had happened in my time.
He was also very decisive, right? That was the other...
Yes. I must say that he was decisive. My own promotion, was held up because the batch previous to me had some corruption charges, and they had taken a stay that nobody will get promoted till they are promoted. And they could not get promoted because they had corruption charges. But you get a stay from the court that till they are promoted, nobody else will be promoted. And they were one batch senior to me. So the day the orders came that no, the promotions can be done, that was delayed by 2 years. That same day, I was called to the cabinet meeting and told to go and take charge as DIG Patna. And I was told that 5 बजे के पहले charge ले लीजिए, नहीं तो फिर से stay हो जाएगा. So it was like that, we were working. So he was a very decisive person. I had good relations. So many people asked me, in fact, Gaurav, that how come you've written such good things about Lalu Prasad? I said, kya likhte? I mean, this is my experience. I'm truthfully recorded. When I was going abroad for my training, he called me and he asked me that, do you need anything? I was DIG Patna, तो पहले तो उन्होंने समझाया कि DIG Patna का पद छोड़ के कोई नहीं जाता है. That didn't matter to me. I had already been all over India. I had seen so many posts. So I said, nahi sir, ye bada prestigious training hai, because in those days, hardly anybody went and was not selected for a foreign training. So I was going. So he says, if you do need any money, do you need any help? So I was also very surprised कि कैसे ये कह रहे हैं, पूछ रहे हैं हमसे कि do you need any help? He says कि मैं जानता हूँ आप लोग के पास पैसा वैसा नहीं होता है. Those days, we were so badly paid. And if you remember, Gaurav, I don't know, when you went abroad, you got only $500. And I was going for a 16 weeks course. Over $500 में क्या होता? तो उनको लगा होगा कि पैसा वैसा का अरेंजमेंट करवाने मेरे लिए, बट इट वाज ऑल पेड फॉर, सो आई टोल्ड हिम इट्स अ स्कॉलरशिप.